With PropertyIntel, gone are the days of wasting time manually measuring properties and hand-drawing design plans. Now you can easily collect, connect, and visualize essential data to bid, win, and service more jobs in less time. Here's how it works. Your projects, properties, and service catalog are stored in the cloud, so they're with you wherever you go. Easily create new projects using high-resolution aerial imagery. A PDF upload, for example, a design schematic. Or start with a blank canvas. Quickly add color and texture-coded items from your catalog. Just search and choose the symbol and color. You can even create catalog templates called groups, consisting of items you commonly use for different types of jobs. Now comes the fun part. Select an item, choose the shape style, enable the optional drawing options, and then simply click and draw. Once you complete a shape, the measurements will automatically be calculated, all without ever stepping foot on the property. On the right, you can adjust the item name, cost, units of measurement, color, fill opacity, and line properties for each item. Using the intuitive click and draw tools, you can continue adding design elements, cut out areas to subtract measurements from an existing measurement, notate with text, arrows, indicate measurements, and even add custom images, such as a design element, or brand the project with your logo. Everything you need to visualize and calculate a bid is right here at your fingertips. Easily zoom in and out on the map and pan around the image. Hide and show catalog items and adjust the transparency of the background. You have complete control of the design. You can change the project name, toggle the parcel boundaries on and off, and make notes. When you're finished, share a link to the project with anyone. Or download a detailed PDF that can include your logo, title, description, date, and legend. Your customers will receive professional, easy-to-visualize plans so you can win bids more quickly. Next, projects can be associated with properties. Easily add new properties and streamline the bidding process by tracking the status of each property and customer details. Managing catalog items is just as easy. You can add material, labor, equipment, and subcontractor costs to help standardize the bidding process and ensure your margins are where they need to be. Lastly, if you're stretched for time, we can do the takeoffs and estimating for you with PropertyIntel Complete. Simply submit a request with a property address, indicate the features you want to include, and our professional cartography team will apply their expertise. Precise takeoffs are delivered directly to your PropertyIntel account, enabling your salespeople to bid on high-quality jobs faster. In addition, PropertyIntel fully integrates with Aspire. With a single click, you can send your takeoffs to Aspire to complete an estimate. Everything you need to bid, win, and service more jobs in less time is right here in PropertyIntel. Ready to get started? Book a personalized demo today.